Hey, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how we transformed the product detail page for a made-to-order e-commerce brand and how that directly improved user engagement and conversions. This brand basically, they create custom leather wallets made specifically for each customer. And as you can imagine, when a product is made to order, the product detail page becomes the entire experience. I will show you the original PDP, explain what wasn't working, and then walk you through our wireframing process, how we mapped the user journey, simplified customization, and connected everything into one clear story. So let's first discuss the problem in the existing page. So this is the original PDP, this one, right? At first glance, the product itself is great, high quality leather, handcrafted, premium feel, but the experience didn't reflect the craftsmanship. Customization options like leather type, right here, and thread color, where they were hidden inside these drop downs. The making process wasn't clearly explained, and the user had to mentally figure out how everything connects. As you can see, the page does not clearly explain what input it takes, like what input from user it takes, and then how it compiles everything and then deliver the product. For a made to order product, that's risky because uncertainty kills conversions. So let's move to our approach: wireframing before design. Before touching UI or visuals, we started with wireframing because wireframes lets you solve problems without getting distracted by colors or aesthetics. Our goal was simple: make the user feel confident, number one, in control, and emotionally connected to their custom wallets, right? So this was the wireframe, and that basically starts with understanding how users think, not how brand want to sell. So before jumping onto the wireframes, we actually did competitor analysis and user behavior research, mood boarding here. We analyzed different direct or indirect competitors selling different products, but made to order products, including like custom bags, furniture. Yeah, those are the products. And one clear pattern we noticed: the best performing brands visualize choices instead of hiding them. Now let me show you the wireframe, and this is where things really changed. Okay, first thing first, instead of drop downs to select leather color and thread color, we actually introduced visual swatches for leather types and thread colors. This instantly reduces cognitive load. User can see what they are choosing instead of guessing, right? So then we discussed the process. We added a simple 3-step section explaining how the wallet is made, from selection to crafting to delivery. As you can see here, you choose the leather and thread. So this actually creates an image in customer's mind, like how things will work, what end product may look like. Yeah, basically this removes uncertainty and builds trust, especially for first-time buyers. And then everything follows logically: choose, understand, trust, commit. The customization, the process explanation, and the social proof all support each other. Like we have this. We provided customer feedback there, and then we provided conversion traits, and this last option mainly to build trust. It says like if you day 1 to year 5 still uncompromised, 5 year of daily use. It gives you a clear comparison of how wallet looks like on the very first day and how it will or may look like after 5 years. Basically real images. We have used real images here. And then if we jump to the high fidelity, this is how it looks like. Your option to select or choose leather swatch color and thread color. Then for personalization, you provide your name here. This feature was already in the previous PDP, if I can show you, like here. Okay, but what was happening here, you have to press add personalization, and then it gives you a input field to provide your name or signature. But here we improved this as well. You just have to provide your signature, and if you want gold foiling for logo, etc. And then provided FAQs, conversion traits. These things were actually missing in the old PDP, and these are the factors that build trust. Then elegance that lasts. We provided this product. I think they call it the big fin. So it's the big fin image is there in center, and then on both sides we have explained how good this product is. everything about this product. Then video feedbacks. Now this is again the process what you already take shape. The thread that you will select on top, and the leather color that you select on top, both will reflect here, both will be visible here, and then this builds a trust and story in customer's mind. Okay, I selected this color and this color. Now they are taking these two colors and then doing stitching and so on. Then process is explained in steps. We also provided some iterations, as you can see here in the process. Visuals plus text on top of each other, then visuals plus text parallel to each other. Other than that, all the iterations look pretty identical. So this is our way of improving or enhancing boring PDPs to high converting and engaging PDPs. If you're looking forward to discuss your existing product detail pages or e-commerce stores in terms of increasing conversion, leads, or engagement, do let us know. Thank you.